welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you this. I did say in my last video, showing you all my Halo Lego, I was gonna do a unboxing video of this Lego set that I was gonna get the next day. And I'm gonna show you the characters that are in it. I'm gonna open the thing and show you how many packs there are, so it won't be that long. Also, I'll do a time lapse of like me building, and once I've done like a piece of it, I will stop the video and show you what I've done. So the characters in this are Master Chief, Arbiter, and Hunters ×2. And there is the Warthog here, there's the Arbiter, there's Master Chief, and these are the two Hunters. Hunters are actually pretty big, and they're actually pretty powerful too. So, I'm gonna show you the packets. Here's one packet. Oops. Don't worry, people. Here's another packet. Another one. The first one, and a little pieces one. So that's like a total of 5 packets, but this one is 3, and there's another one that's 3. So basically there's the instructions right here. I love Halo. It's like a game I really like. It's a really good game. I suggest you actually play it. But start off with the first one to Halo 5, because that's how many Halos there are. Maybe start off with Halo Reach and then the first one, because Halo Reach takes place before Halo 1. So all of these packets are like the Warthog. I have a similar Warthog like you saw in at the last video that isn't the same one as this. Because that other one has a huge red guy. That's the same as the Hunters. It's made out of worms. And I think that they had Loco at the start of their name. I think if I can... Lagolo? I don't know. It's something like that. They're like these really big worms. And what it looks like when they like form up into a hunter, you like see them all collide and like form up and spread apart to form the hunter. And what the Covenant did to them was, I'm pretty sure they just, once they made a hunter, they just put armor on it. So it's like, and they put a plasma cannon. Plasma cannons, they can like charge up and fire a huge big shot or just some mini shots, like I said. Also, I really like the Hunter's design, because the Hunter's design is really cool, because it shows all the bumps, how the worms are, and there's like parts of the armor that looks so cool. Plus the Arbiter, it has like the little swirly things. Also Master Chief, he has a bit of detail of bumps and stuff. So let's go on and start building with the time lapse. Let's go. everyone, I finished the builds. First, I gotta do the people today. Tomorrow I'll do another video of this, where I'll start doing the Warthog. So here is Master Chief. I'm just gonna see if you can see him. Master Chief. Right here. He's looking good with his fabulous flamethrower and his assault rifle at the back. Look, you're so cool in that golden flamethrower. It's amazing. Very cool. Next, I'll show you the Arbiter. Right here. Here's the Arbiter. I'll just move around here. I really like the Arbiter. It actually looks really cool. With his carbine, his golden armor. Also, there's like a armor here that doesn't really match with his other side, which is actually pretty cool. So now on to the Hunters. I'll just show you one because there's two of them, and they look the same. So this is the Hunter I thought that you saw in the time lapse. You could look also at the back. Plasma cannon there and the shield there. Also there's spikes at the back. Really cool. Oops. Right. So next time I will do all these like little packets. This one, that one, like all those. I don't think you saw my face when I'm up here. Sorry. So I don't really think there's anything else to say now. But if you want me to see all of it, just leave a like on this video. But you don't need to have to subscribe. But if you want to subscribe and get a notification bell for if you want to see know if I put in another video, then subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a like. Bye.